What's up, y'all? I hope y'all are having a great day, morning, night, whatever time it is right now for you. Now, before we get into this video, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is QueenZiare Hadley. I make vlogs about travel, food, and everything else. And before we get into this video, make sure to slap the like button. Don't click it, like I mean slap it. Today is Tuesday, June 28th. My birthday is, I think, 2 days away because my birthday's on July 1st. I just finished doing my hair. I did French braids and cornrows on my head for like the first time. The reason why I don't usually do flat braids on my head is because I don't know how. And this was my first time doing it, so it looks a little bit ghetto.
I'm tired of suffering. I'm tired of suffering.
But you know, it's okay. Like, not all of my parts, not all of my parts might be super straight. Some of my parts might look a little squiggly.
I look like a clown.
But it's okay because it's my first time doing real down to the scalp braids, if you know what I mean. I just need to do something with my hair. Like, it needs to get out of the way. It's getting on my nerve. It's giving. I'm thinking about the big chop. I'm thinking about doing my dad's style, which is bald. No, I'm just kidding.
You guys know I was just kidding, right?
Just wanted to give y'all a real quick update. I haven't filmed in months. I started high school. I started having to do AP exams and testing teams and sports and high school stuff. Yeah, so I've been really busy, but you know, I'm gonna come back to y'all, okay? I'm gonna start being more consistent, you know? I don't want to put too much emphasis on that word because, you know, life changes, but yeah, I'm gonna do my best. But yeah.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
All I know is we're going to be staying in a hotel in downtown LA. I don't know what else we're going to be doing, but y'all, I don't know what happened, but somehow I deleted a clip that was just in this video. I don't know who that is, but that isn't me. I feel like I was acting very weird in that moment. I don't resonate with whoever that was y'all just saw in the video. Maybe a little bit later it'll be me in the video, but right now this ain't me. I was acting very weird and very different. I'm gonna film it and you're gonna come along with me, and we're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have a great birthday. I'm gonna be turning 16. Everybody keeps reminding me about how I'm getting older, which is annoying. Yeah, but I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so plans changed actually. It is Thursday, June 30th, which is one day before my actual birthday, July 1st. Actually gonna go to a hotel in like Pasadena. And the reason why I chose Pasadena is because I kind of want to get out the city. Like, I like to go on drives. Pasadena kind of far out, so it's not too far out, but it's like, you know, a little road trip. I don't know if you guys heard of the 626 night market, but a couple years ago my family went and it was just a lot of cool food. Basically an Asian night market. Asian food, Asian anything. My favorite food is up here for me. It's up there. But yeah, I basically chose a hotel in that area because I want to go to the night market. We're leaving out tonight. When I do these turmeric masks, I gotta be careful because as you can see from this towel, it does stain. Not only does it stain materials, it's used as a dye in some places. It also dyes sinks, white porcelain sinks to be specific. But you know, it's okay because when I clean the bathroom and I use the bleach and the powder and all that stuff, make mustard gas, you know, it gets the color out. Like, the sink turns completely back white, original color. Now, as far as materials, I don't know. I mean, when you wash it in the washer, I don't know if this will come out all the way. I hope. I don't know.
Go ahead and get the belt for me. Okay, immediately. Sorry.
You know, usually I try to take the mask off first with my hands so that I get as little on the towel as possible. It took too long, so I got to use the towel. But we won't talk about that.
All right.
Okay, y'all, so we just got to the hotel. I'm with my cousin Rain, and this lobby is looking nice. Like, it's looking fancy. I'm trying to get some B-roll, but it's a lot of people around, and I'm not used to filming in public, so if you get any B-roll,
I want to build a 21.
Rain, what are you talking about?
I want to tell you.
She need help. Oh, y'all, it look fancy. Oh my God. It's dirty. I know, I always wanted the ice machine, but mommy wouldn't let me. It probably is. The smell? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's a Tesla. Why does the pillow have luxury? I don't know. Y'all, look at this.
No, my back is full.
This is nice, y'all. And the way they go. This is the mirror. Got my feet out. Y'all, look at this bathroom. Look at these barn doors. Slide close. Get out the mirror, Rain. But do it lock? It don't lock.
It don't?
No, it don't lock. I hate that when you're filming, the light from the room starts beaming.
Yeah, so smart.
Really, Rain? Get out the bathroom.
Wash your hands, you filthy animal.
Literally nobody's laughing.
You ain't funny.
That didn't do. It turns off the shower light, y'all. Wait, look at this. Let me turn this off. Let me show y'all. Look here, right? I could turn this down. Oh my God, do y'all see this? Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna break. I'm gonna break. Let me stop. Yes, stop doing the test to see if the mirror is fake or not. How does the test work? Okay, y'all, I found something bad. So if you close this little bathroom barn door, close it right, it's still a gap. Y'all, I turned the TV on and guess what happened? I turned the TV on and it said good morning. My mom's name. Good morning. That's so cool. I didn't think it would do that. This is the most modern hotel I've been to. Like, they got switches. Usually everything got its own switch that you gotta walk to, right? You can turn all lights off with one button. You can turn entry lights on, lamp lights, reading light. Or no, I think my mom, she clicked all lights and I was in the shower. The whole bathroom went dark. It was so funny. Y'all ready to go? We finna go eat breakfast and be lit. I'm just kidding. It's cold. Why does it look like that? I have a mouthful of green onions. Never mind. Never mind. Sesame oil. You really don't like it? Are you just saying that because it's cold? No, I really don't like it. Over. Huh? Over. I wanted to let y'all know right now, those dumplings were very undercooked, filled with water. I did not expect them to be boiled. I don't know what type of Asian restaurant we went to, but I was expecting a little bit of some browning on the dumplings. I'm just very not used to whatever they put on that table. So when I bit into the dumpling and a bubble of water bursted in my mouth, I wouldn't describe myself as happy at that moment. I would say I was distraught and confused. I don't know how to feel about that. I like the fried dumplings better because these are too raw. They're better dumplings than this. Don't give up on dumplings. Everybody just cook them differently. These need to be fried in a skillet. They need to be fried in a skillet. And when you bite it open, it's just all the juice just come out. It's a lot of juice. It's just really sweet. You're making my camera unfocused. Dark? Yes. Yeah. I should.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking whirlpool. Still good though.
It's like all Jupiter and Mars. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Oh, let me see what spring is like all Jupiter and Mars. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Oh, let me see what spring is like all Jupiter and Mars. Fly me, fly me.
Hey y'all, I'm back home now. I passed my AP exam and I'm so excited because there was so much information I had to know. I'm finna turn these scores in so colleges can be like, let me eat this up. So when I get on that stage, I can perform. And when I perform, I hit that performance and I land the stage on the performance. As Mr. Allen says, everybody was stressing over these tests. Well, not everybody, but most people were stressing over these tests and we got them over with and I'm so happy. I don't know how many hours we was in the room for testing, but the whole time I was like, I hope I pass. I hope I pass. I hope I pass. I know I didn't sit here and learn all about these boring white men for nothing. Like, this has to help me in some sort of way. Y'all, our hair really be doing us dirty. Like, it just be want to be changing whenever I want to. My hair want to be juicy and curly, and hair want to be doing this type of stuff in the back, right? Soon as it dry, and want to go into fro mode. Like, our hair is just, it just do whatever it be wanting to do, and it's like, stick to the plan. Yeah, I look crazy right now. Just ignore this. It's like, honestly, I just wanted to say how crazy it was. 1 second our hair be curling up like this, next second it dries, afro mode.
Ladies on an escalator, going upstairs so serious.